What is online defamation? Negative content about a person or a business that is posted online can cause damage to one's reputation. Not everything posted online is true. Don't believe everything you read. False and malicious online posts are common, especially in today's day and age. Defamation is the false assertion of fact that injures a person's reputation and damages their good name. Your reputation is everything you have, and you must protect it at all costs. Before pursuing a defamation claim against the poster, it is important to analyze whether there is a legitimate defense such as truth, opinion, consent, and qualified or absolute privilege. These are common defenses to defamation. Privilege is a legal right that allows a person to communicate the statement. There are also situations that invite commentary, such as those situations that are a matter of public concern or that relate to public figures. Consent to allowing someone to make a particular statement about yourself or your business is also obviously a legal defense to defamation. Also, if a statement may be interpreted by the average person to be a mere rumor, then it may be considered to be an opinion and not a true assertion of fact. Opinions are not actionable. Only false assertions of fact may qualify as defamation. It must be something that can be verified, proved as true or false. There are certain false statements that may be considered defamation per se. That means they are defamatory on their face. There are some certain statements that are so inherently defamatory that the victim does not need to even prove harm to its reputation and damages. It is presumed. These typically include accusations that an individual committed a crime of moral turpitude, accusations that an individual has a loathsome disease, such as an STD, and statements that harm a person's trade, profession, or business. It goes to their livelihood. People who use online defamation to harm others for their own agenda can be held liable for the damage that they cause. And that's why it's important to work with an experienced attorney. In fact, many times people post this information anonymously or create alias email accounts to hide their identity. The person who actually authors the unlawful content is the liable party. That's who we have to go after. However, finding out in fact who that person is may pose a challenge. And it's again important to work with an attorney because we have the means to figure who the author is. Many times, the only way to find out the author is to file a complaint against a fictitious person named as a John or Jane Doe, and then serving a legal subpoena on the website to obtain the identity of the author. This is a difficult legal process. However, my firm has experience in obtaining the identity, and we have been very successful at doing this. The humiliation, embarrassment, loss of personal and business opportunities, and other harms are all damages that may be recovered by the victim of online defamation. It is important to work with an experienced attorney to obtain maximum compensation and vindication of your rights if you are defamed online.